Ayan! Yan na yung teddy bear! Yan, dito kayo mga pala nakita ko. Ayan, no? Beauty. Ayan. At syempre, meron din kayong Ferrera.
Oh my God.
At ito pa, meron binigay na cake! Ayan.
Ate, hindi ko na maano.
Mother, I need your help! Alam, beautiful mom. Ito, mom, pakitulungan sa inyong anak. Harap po kayo dyan sa kanya. Ayan, syempre, ito. Ang inyong balon. Okay. Syempre, meron din kayo mag-order. Yan, ang sana all, hindi na mahawakan. Ayan! At syempre, dyan kayo. Picture and
Be forevermore. The lights are so bright, but they never blind me. Welcome to New York. It's been waiting for you. Welcome to New York. Welcome to New York. When we first dropped our bags on apartment floors, took our broken hearts, put them in a drawer. Everybody here was someone else before, and you can want who you want. Boys and girls, welcome to New York. It's been waiting for you. Welcome to New York. Welcome to New York. Welcome to New York. It's been waiting for you. Welcome to New York. Welcome to New York. It's a new soundtrack. I could dance to this beat. The lights are so bright, but they never blind me. Welcome to New York. It's been waiting for you. Welcome to New York. Welcome to New York. Like any great love, it keeps you guessing. Like any real love, it's ever changing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ayan! Joanne, bago mo i-blow yung candle, dapat ka muna mag-wish. So, wish, wish, wish!
Open natin.
Okay, blow!
Hindi pwedeng i-blow.
One, go, 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 blow!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Joanne! Ayan, at syempre, meron inahandang letter. Ang iyong mahal sa buhay. Maaari po bang basahin, ni?
Claricel!
Claricel! Pinasa! Halika, Claricel! Punta ka sa iyong...
Pinsan!
Okay.
Oh, from Mami Tina. Happy birthday, Joanne. We want you to be surprised on your birthday. Inang, Mami Tina, Auntie Lina, Auntie Ilang, Ate Clarice, and your mom plan about this last month. Kung ano yung gagawin namin sa birthday mo. Since nandito ka lang sa bahay, we want you to do differently this year to celebrate with your friends and family. I think it's fun to do this at home even it's pandemic. We know you are busy with your studies and you deserve this birthday celebration from us. We wish na nandyan kami sa loob ng van. Enjoy your birthday. We love you. Sana.
Yes! Isang letter pa galing po kay... Dito
Isang
kay Mother.
May.
Ayun. Dito po kayo.
Dear Ate Joanne, I wish you a happy birthday. I know that you are busy studying your lessons because you have exams on your birthday. Kakatawa. My mom keep reminding me not to tell you about your birthday surprise If they are on Pretty Ladies call, baka may kaglis J. Dilak. A birthday surprise to my cousin, future engineer. I hope you enjoy the surprise. Love, cousin Eselmay.
At syempre, andyan ang inyong parents. Kailangan din natin sila kuhanan ng message.
Joanne, naning, 21 years old ka na. Kasi man din, nag-birthday ka. Thank you, Lord, for these blessings.
Yes.
Kasi andyan ka lagi na alam kong maaral. Sana matupad mo yung wish mo na maging engineer someday. And Mami Tina and ni Pang mo amok nga damat ti bagana. Nung ibagakon i-wish me lang makagraduate ka naning matupad mo yung pangarap mo. And I thank God kasi andyan si na Mami at saka Auntie lang na laging nagsa-surprise sa iyo. Hindi sila nagsawa na nagbibigay ng sorpresa. Sana na-surprise ka.
Yay!
Surprise!
Happy
Happy birthday! Wish you all the best. Hope you like our surprises.
I hope you love the surprise from all of us! Yeah, wish we were there!
Love you. Miss you.
Ayan. Ito po. Ayan, at syempre, di pa tayo tapos. Ano ang yung message sa iyong tita? At sa iyong lola? Inang Siyang. At Mami Tina. All the way from New York! Okay. Ano message mo, Ading?
Sa kahit pandemic, sana safe sila and good health. Sana nandito rin sila to celebrate my birthday. Thank you.
Nayak na sa Ading ko. Ayan! Yun na po ang iyong message.
Yes po.
Ayan! Happy 21st birthday kay Miss Joanne! Okay, so magpapakilala na ako, Miss Joanne. Okay. In behalf of NHS Flower Shop and Party Nuts, thank you, Ma'am Tina, Inang Insyang, Ma'am Arnella, at syempre sa iyong mami at papa na nag-trust po sa amin, at syempre naihatid natin ang sorpresa ang nais nilang ipahatid sa iyo, sa inyong kaarawan. At syempre, ikaw ba ay masaya?
Yes!
Okay, isigaw ko masaya!
Masaya.
Masaya! Yan! Ayan! All the way from New York! Thank you!
Walking through a crowd, the village is aglow. Kaleidoscope of loud heartbeats undercoats. Everybody here wanted something more, searching for a sound we hadn't heard before. And it said, welcome to New York. It's been waiting for you. Welcome to New York. Welcome to New York. Welcome to New York. It's been waiting for you. Welcome to New York. Welcome to New York. It's a new soundtrack. I could dance to this beat forevermore. The lights are so bright, but they never blind me. Welcome to New York. It's been waiting for you. Welcome to New York. Welcome to New York.